What do you do when you don't know what to eat? You get Popeyes, pancakes from Denny's, and Chipotle! Oh no. I cut the line at Popeyes. Accidentally. There's two lines. You go here for the mobile order pickup, big fat sign, I didn't see it. And then the other side is for regular orders. There was 6 people in line. And I just went that side and I ordered. And then I looked to the side and I'm like, oops. And I apologized and I'm like, I'm so sorry, I didn't know. Nobody noticed. So, still feel bad though. But I don't. But I do. So excited for these pancakes. I called Denny's an hour ago. I was like, can I order like pancakes for pickup in like 20 minutes? Yeah, sure. I picked them up an hour after. But it was so busy at Popeyes. Oh, but it's still warm. The time for the video is almost over. So I'm gonna pause it right here and save some time for the pancakes. So while I was waiting for my Popeyes order, I farted.